Hello guys, how you doing? I hope it's everything fine. So, I heard about you are having some troubles with addition and subtraction and also with decimals number. So, in this case, I had a really great idea, I think, to explain how with a line I can show you how to use that number and understand how it is working. So the point is, I'm going to use the famous number line to explain addition and subtraction with decimals. So let's do it, guys. Alright, guys. Now I want to present to you the number line. As you can see here, in that size of the line, we have arrows. So the arrows in both sides of the line show us that it is going farther, farther, farther. So the point is here. As you can see here, we can see in a pink line the number 0, and then in positive we are using the orange to identify the lines and the positive numbers, as you can see here. Then using the green lines we are showing you the negative number. So as we can see here, from 0 to 4 we are going to the right. So as far as we're going, following the line, following that arrow, the biggest number is going to be in the end of the line. And following the 0 to the left, we will see that the numbers are getting smaller. For example, -4 is going to be smaller than -3, and smaller than -2, smaller than -1, till to get the 0. So now I would like to show you with a simple exercise how the number line is working. So basically, we are going to use first the positive numbers and then the negative numbers, as you can see here. So the first step, I'm going to use positive 2, right? And I'm going to try to see where it is going in the number line. So for example, taking 0 from my reference as my reference, I'm going to put number 2 here, right? So simple. You see, you just need to count 0, 1, and 2. Then I'm going to do the same with the number 4. In that case, I take the 0 from 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, there we go. Number 4. Same. All right, guys. So now we finish with the positive number. So now we are going to use negative number. Remember, as we said before, negative number are going to the left, taking 0 from we are going to say like it's going to be the reference point to make any operation or to see where is the numbers going. So from 0 to the left, negative number. So following the previous step, I'm going to the 0, take my point, and then -1, just right to the left. Then I'm going to do the same with negative 2. So I'm going to the 0, and then -1, -2. There you go, simple. Now we are going to do addition and subtraction. So get ready. Alright guys, so now we are going to make addition and subtraction using the number line. So don't be in panic. I know that could see like a complicated thing, but let's start from the beginning, right? So for the first point, we are going to read the number. We are going to take the flashcard and then we are going to read it. Right, +4. Forget about the rest of the flashcard, step by step. We are going to go to the 0 point as we did before, as taking that point as a reference. So 0, we are going in the positive line, remember? So I'm going to the right all the time. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Positive 4. Now we have to submit 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And there we go. So the solution to that subtraction is 0. Now we are going to do the same as we did before. But now remember, it's simple. Just follow the step and you'll see that it's not as hard as it looks, because it looks a little bit scary, but it's not. Okay, honestly. So we are going to do the same. We are going to take the 0 point reference and we have to read that. So basically now we are using -2, right? So I need to go to the left. Remember, left negative, right positive. No, now we are going to 0 point and then -1, -2. All right, so now we are in -2. We are in -2, that's right? Yes. Okay, now I have to admit. Now remember, we are doing admission right now. So it's not, come on, just follow the line. All right, so now we are going to the number +4, right? So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, there we go. We are here. So the result of that operation is the +2. I mean, like a normal 2. All right? So that was simple, isn't it? Now we are going to do with decimals. Get ready, guys. Right, guys. Now we are going to use decimal numbers in the number line. All right, as we did before, right? So don't be in panic. Now you are seeing like 1.5 minus plus. So we are going to do step by step. So first one, positive 1.5 plus 1. So taking the 0, as you can remember, as a reference, so I have to go to 1.5. All right, there we go. 1.5 plus 1. So 1.5 plus 1 is going to be 2.5. There you go. All right, second one. So now we have 2.5 in positive minus 4, right? So let's do it simple. 1, 2, and then we will remember we finished here in the last operation. So positive 2.5 minus 4. So now we are going to do 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, there you go. Minus, remember, green and left is negative number, so minus 1.5. Okay, the last one. So minus 0.5 minus 1.5, negative. Both are negative. So in that case, now I am going to the left. So now we are here in minus 0.5 and I'm going left because I have to subtract minus 1.5. So 1 plus 0 is going to be minus 2. All right, there you go. How was it? Was simple? I hope you enjoyed. All right, guys, so I'm going to give you the last advice and we finish here. All right, guys, now I'm going to tell you just the last thing, just to remember what we saw in that video, what we learned in that video. So this is in the blue, we have the number line, and then as you can see, it had two arrows, that arrow and that arrow, and it never ends as the numbers. It never ends. So basically, now we have the 0 point, and every single number who is going to the right, it's going to be a positive number. So we can see here, remember, 2 and 4. All right, so going to the left, it's going to be the negative number. All right, guys. So, for example, when we have to do some kind of subtraction or addition, as we have here, we have to take the 0 point as a reference and then go to the negative or the positive way. It depends of the number. Obviously, we have here -2. So now we have to go to the -2 point, and then we have to admit 4 positive points. So remember, we are here. Now we have to admit 4 points. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right. So the result of that operation is +2 or natural 2 or the simple 2. Alright, guys. Just to finish with the video, I hope you enjoy. I hope you have some fun. I hope you learned something, and just try it. You know, it's simple, just some colors, and try to do some exercise. Alright? Be good, have fun.